In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed your online form with Paperform using a step-by-step approach that's sure to guide you through the process smoothly. So whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, let's dive right in. First, let's start with opening the form you intend to embed. Head over to the Paperform editor where you can conveniently access and manage your forms. Once your desired form is open, you'll want to locate the Share button, which will be your gateway to embedding. Click on Share, and from the options that appear, select Embed. This is where you can decide exactly how you want your form to appear on your website. You'll be presented with a variety of embed types, each catering to different presentation needs. If you're looking to integrate the form directly within your web page, the inline option will work excellently. However, if you want your form to take center stage, the full screen option ensures it occupies the entire page, offering an immersive experience for your audience. If you're keen on a more subtle appearance, you can opt for the pop-up option, which allows the form to come up when a specific element on the page is clicked. This choice is fantastic if you wish to keep your form accessible yet unobtrusive. After deciding on the embed type, Paperform conveniently provides you with a code snippet. This can either be in HTML or JavaScript, depending on your preference. You'll need to copy this code snippet, as the next step will involve embedding it into your website. Now, let's move on to embedding this code on your website. If you're working with a custom-built website, it's important to navigate to the HTML of the page where you wish to display your form. Typically, you'd look for the section of your HTML, as this is often where you'd want the form to be visible. Paste the previously copied code snippet into this section. This step is crucial, as it ensures your form is correctly positioned on your web page. Once you've pasted the code, don't forget to save the changes you've made. Hit the Save button to ensure that your work isn't lost. To finalize this process, refresh your web page. Doing so allows you to check that the embedded form appears as desired, and it's always good to double check that it's functioning properly. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to embedding an online form using Paperform. This straightforward process allows you to add functional and aesthetically pleasing forms to your web page, enhancing both your user's experience and engagement. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel more confident in embedding your forms. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.